You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. Ever been curious about those forest sounds? Picture this: a crisp morning walk in the forest. Suddenly you hear a rustle in the bushes. That's likely a deer gracefully moving through the underbrush. Next you hear a series of chirps. Those are songbirds like robins and sparrows chatting away. But wait, what's that eerie hoot? Ah, that's the wise owl, keeping an eye on the night. Listen closely. Can you hear the drumming sound? That's a woodpecker, hard at work hunting insects in the trees. And the final mystery sound, a distant howl. It's the call of a coyote, marking its territory. So next time you're in the forest, you'll know who's making all that noise. Nature's symphony is full of surprises. Keep listening and stay curious.